What is up, darlings, and welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. It's a beautiful Saturday today. I totally should be at Bandame right now. It's streetcar takeover, and I totally had a way and a will to go, but something inside of me is telling me to get out here and get something done. Right, so I'm on this huge push to get this car done for you guys, and for myself, it has been years, and I am just, ever since my dad passed, I have just been... There's Pops. Ever since my dad passed, 2 years ago, I've just really been like, I don't know, pity party status, I guess. I come out here and I'm like, I can't do this. I can't figure this out. I need help. I don't, and so nothing ever gets done. So, that's all changing, and I have been on a huge push to get as much done as I can. Life has been so bright with me staying busy. It has been nice to finally see that different side of life. After something big and traumatic happens to you, you kind of just see what's really important. And this is a huge goal of mine. Like, it means so much to me. So, I'm so happy that I can bring you guys along on this journey because it is super heartfelt and there's a lot of meaning behind all of this. So, thank you guys for all your support. And today I am going to take this beautiful Saturday that I am blessed with, and I am just going to get as much done as I possibly can. Get you guys out a video by Sunday tomorrow. So we're gonna take today and get as much done as I possibly can. I'm gonna start on the other side of the hatch. If you didn't watch my last video, you should go watch it. It'll explain everything that I'm gonna be doing. I'm not gonna take time to explain that again. I just want to get like cram-packed action into this video. Camera angles might not be there. There might not be multiple different camera angles, but I'm gonna get a lot done. I'm a one-man team, so every different camera angle takes time, every different edit takes time, so I'm trying to make this video short, sweet, and simple so that I can edit it tonight and get it out to you guys by tomorrow. Again, thank you guys so much for joining me and all the support. Let's rock. Well, I can't even get that far, so you beat me on that. Ooh, look how pretty. Ooh, more are coming. This one's gonna be beautiful. I really don't know why I insist on wearing black every single time. It never gets any cooler out here, but this little fan right here saves the day all the time. Of course, I had to go to Home Depot to pick up some more supplies. I also had to go check out the flowers. It's absolutely mandatory. The 120 grit sandpaper isn't doing anything to that original paint, so I know I have some 80 grit somewhere, I just have to find it. There it is, woo! Can't freaking breathe. Ouch, gosh. Oh, I forgot my sunglasses were on my head. Oh. Oh my gosh, okay. I need a second to breathe. Whew. Whew. Okay, so I took the electric sander and hit it, and there's just like way too many bumps and curves to actually get everything on, to get everything with the sander. So, I'm gonna do the rest by hand. Let's go. Is this going to be perfect? Absolutely not. Nope. No. Some more no, and some more no. When you start taking away rust, you start discovering new holes. Looks like maybe the hatch let in some water and kind of just sat in that area. But yeah, everything else looks great. All the rust is pretty much melting away. I'm just doing like where is it? A black rust protectant, pretty much just like stops the rust from growing and spreading, and it's just gonna be black, and that's how the whole interior is right now. Easy, simple, cheap, doable, you know? So, no, it's not gonna be perfect. I don't care. I need a drink though, man. It is hot. Woo. I swear though, within like 3 minutes, I just got like 3 mosquito bites. I am so over this. Like, they've been like attacking my face and like my legs, and like, what does that mean? Sweet blood? Maybe? I don't know. But I'm about to douse myself in bug spray because no thank you. Well, it's looking pretty good to me. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just doing black over it, so there's no like overly raised paint spots. Everything's nice and flush and smooth. Went ahead and gave it a good wet wipe down. Try and get all that dust out of there. I'm gonna go eat me some dinner, and then I'm gonna paint it, and then we're gonna do something else. Well, while I'm shaking this paint, figured I'd let you guys know. It's so quiet because the kids are gone. Oh my goodness. This never happens. I'm actually able to just like get stuff done. It's pretty crazy. But I also don't have my little helpers. But survive for the weekend. It's a lot better than rust, right? That's all I'm thinking, is it's a lot better than rust. I'm pretty sure I killed all that jazz. Hopefully that rust stops growing. I think I'm gonna Mad Max some sort of patch on that. I don't know what else to do. But I mean, just like bending a little piece of metal, it'll buff out. Looks a lot better. I mean, it's still wet from that last coat. I mean, anything is better than rust, right? You know? And now it's kind of like protected in a sense, and like hopefully it kills the rust, you know, and that stops spreading there. That would be great. So I have enough paint for one more coat. I'm letting this one finish up drying, but I mean, I think it looks pretty good already. Alright, so I came in here to the other shop now. set up this little table, and I'm gonna paint some other stuff in this shop while my hatch door is drying in the other shop. So kind of like double duty. That's how you get stuff done. What the heck is this? It's like the texture of a beehive, but it looks like a... I don't even know. I found it stuck right here. Is that a beehive? I don't know. It's kind of freaking me out now. Because it's like crispy. I had already sanded this down and started painting it previously, but ran out of paint. So I'm just wiping this side off and getting it ready for the final layer. Also sanding down a couple areas that I obviously was too lazy to get last time, and also dancing a little bit and trying to enjoy my Saturday night. The other side of this has not been touched and definitely has a rust issue just on this one side. I don't want to let it slip like this, so I'm taking care of it right now. This Duplicolor Rust Barrier paint always comes out smooth, and I've never had any problems with it. I definitely recommend it. I am looking pretty rough at this point, and that is because I am feeling pretty rough at this point. But I have a goal, and I'm gonna stick to it. What are those? And why are you in here? Go away. Hey you. Go away. But yeah, it's freaking like 2 a.m. I need to go inside and take a shower. But I'm still gonna get this video edited and out to you guys by Sunday, which is tomorrow, which is today, actually. So, this is exciting. I did get a lot accomplished, I feel like, you know? It was a good day. Let's go take a tour. Alright. I got this radiator support all sanded down, got all the rust off of it. Ouch. Oh my goodness. And pretty much just did like a base layer right now, you know, on both sides. I redid all of these. I know I just said I was gonna do one, but then like I pulled out another one and I was like, oh no. This doesn't look good enough. So yeah, then I ended up redoing every single panel I had because I had the paint. But hey, they look a lot nicer, a lot darker, and a lot more solid. So I'm happy with them. Hatch dried anymore. Oh, it's creepy out here. Ooh. Yeah, buddy. She looks so good. Oh my goodness, yay. It was a super productive day. You know what I mean? I'm like Ooh. It's creepy. Oh, this is so creepy. I'm like thoroughly proud of myself. So yeah, I was gonna say I could have pulled out the sander and like did that with the sander, but it's like really late and I have neighbors and I do care. I'm one of those caring neighbors, you know? I say this knowing that I fire up the El Camino every single night that I have to work around this time. But I got it done and I feel more connected to that radiator support now. It's good. I like it. I have a new feeling and a new vibe for it. And it looks good now, so. Heck yeah. Thank you guys for joining me. We will be back out here in another couple days. Hopefully sooner. You know, just gotta go, go, go. Alright. You rock. Bye. Yeah, I think it's time for a shower and a snack. I'm getting hungry.